How to grow cordyceps mushrooms. Cordyceps are a genus of edible mushroom used in traditional Chinese cooking and medicine. You are unlikely to find them in the produce aisle at the supermarket in the United States, though you may find dried cordyceps in health food stores or Chinese grocery stores. To get fresh cordyceps, you may need to grow them yourself. They can be grown in a shady patch of your garden anytime after the last frost of the season. Things you will need: cordyceps spores, wood mulch, dry plant leaves. Select a spot in your garden that is covered in shade. If you don't have a shaded spot, create one by hanging a canopy over a corner of the garden. Spread wood mulch and leaves over the section of the garden where you want to grow the cordyceps. Spread the mulch on top of the soil without mixing it in. Soak the mulch and leaves with water and wait 5 to 10 minutes to make sure the water has stopped seeping. Spread the cordyceps mushroom spores over the mulch and leaves. You will need the spores of approximately 1 mushroom cap for every 2 square feet of garden space. Water the mushrooms daily until they mature. They will begin to spawn in approximately 1 week and should begin to mature within a month.